Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data and stabilizing the device. Back up to iCloud or connect to a computer. This prevents loss if you must reset or replace parts. Once backed up, perform a force restart. Press volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This clears many software hangs. Make sure to remove the case and any external accessories, then visually inspect the screen for cracks, liquid, or debris that might block touch sensors. Once you've stabilized the phone, move into diagnosis. If touch is intermittent, summon Siri and enable assistive touch, or connect an external keyboard to operate menus. This helps run tests. Next, connect to a Mac or PC and reinstall iOS through Finder or iTunes using the recovery mode option. Choose Update over Restore first to keep data. If software fixes fail, examine hardware carefully. A swollen battery, lifted display, or corrosion around connectors usually means a physical repair is needed. Document what you find. You can proceed to repair or seek professional service depending on your findings. If you DIY, use a quality OEM or OEM equivalent screen and the right toolkit. Follow a trusted step-by-step teardown to avoid damaging flex cables or the battery. After reassembly, update iOS and test gestures, Face ID, and sensors to confirm full function. If something still misbehaves, make sure to check the display and digitizer connectors for proper seating. Test the original screen or another known good unit to isolate whether the issue is the new part or the logic board.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.